This is a very significant piece of news, and although it is being carried in multiple agencies in the crypto world, it probably is going to be underappreciated because many of the people who comment on cryptocurrency are based in the United States, where this company, Huawei, is almost unknown. But Huawei is in fact the third largest manufacturer of telecommunications mobile phones in the world. The only major market in the world that they are not active is the United States, but they are number 3 in the world. They've actually passed Apple in some markets and globally a little bit occasionally, and are working on becoming the largest smartphone manufacturer in the world, to surpass even Samsung. But this news is groundbreaking. Why? Because it's the first time ever that a major mobile phone equipment manufacturer has decided to launch a crypto wallet app pre-installed on its phones. Now that's absolutely huge news, and tells us a lot about the future of cryptocurrency, because once mainstream equipment manufacturers start to pre-install crypto wallets and make it easier for the masses to use cryptocurrency, we have another wave coming. So this is absolutely groundbreaking news, and wanted to draw that to your attention, particularly because a lot of the media will probably not pick up on it. So this is reporting that, oh, and by the way, you know how big the Chinese cryptocurrency market is. Of course, Huawei is the largest mobile phone provider in China, also in many other major markets, and normally number 2 in most other markets if Samsung is number 1. So in a lot of markets it's past Apple, but it's number 1 in China with a massive base of people that are using cryptocurrency. And now all the Huawei phones will be pre-installed with a mobile currency, a cryptocurrency app. And then the older phones will also later this second or third quarter have that kind of software also installed on them. So they've partnered with BTC.com, which is owned by the mining giant Bitmain, and that will enable the users with the pre-installed app to track cryptocurrency mining and block information, and also have a digital wallet. So this new wallet application is going to start appearing in Huawei's proprietary app store, the App Gallery, which was launched in March. This is a brand new initiative by Huawei, for example, and right now it's only pre-installed on the latest Huawei devices, but as they note here, it will be rolled out in older versions in the second quarter of the year. It's, as he says here, it's likely to open up cryptocurrency services to a potentially huge, notice this word, huge user base. So this is really getting out in front of the market. And you watch, because now that Huawei has done it, Samsung and Apple will be watching as well, and we are likely to see other major players as well as some of the miners. But the big 3 are Samsung, Apple, and Huawei. And Huawei is now leading the market in being the first to install a crypto wallet app. So just wanted to give you a heads up about that, and make you aware that this is another sign that we are headed towards mass usage of cryptocurrencies by the broader market. Because once you start to get it on people's smartphones, that's the main thing that people use right now, is smartphones. And when you start to get it pre-installed by the largest manufacturers, whoosh, you have a major new move. All right, that's it for this update. Thanks. If you like to keep informed on the latest crypto news, please feel free to subscribe, give us a like on this one, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.